Today I'm going to show you how to use deep research in ChatGPT. So in order to use deep research, you're going to just actually click on here where it says deep research, and it's going to highlight it blue. And then you can put your question here. This case I have, give me a history of Fort Washington, Maryland. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this, and it asks me, would you like a general historical overview of Fort Washington, Maryland, or are you looking for specific aspects such as military history, architectural changes, its role in different wars, and so on? So what I'm going to put is focus on the period during World War II. We're going to hit enter right here. Now it's going to start to gather information, and you'll see this thing right here where it says starting research. And it's going to go through this, and it can take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes on this. So we're going to actually skip ahead. I've already done the search, almost like a cooking show. I'm going to show you what happens, but it will actually start to put up here sources that it finds and how many minutes it's taking. So here's the search that I've already done, and you can see down here it says research completed in 7 minutes, 20 sources. And if I click on this, it will bring up in the side what it was doing, what it was thinking, and the different sources that it's finding here. So you can actually go and look through its logic and what sources there are here. You can click on any of these sources, and it will take you to the web page of the source it used when it was searching for it. The other thing is, if you go through the document that it wrote, you'll see right here where it has the sources within the text. So you can also go through this and click on any of these sources as well, and it will take you to those sources. And all those sources are in this kind of overview over here on the right as well. So that's basically how you do a deep research. Just be prepared. It's going to take, like I said, 5 minutes to 30 minutes. So depending on how complex your question is, it may take much longer. So you can spend some time on exactly what you wanted to research. This was just an example, so I did something short. If it has any questions, it will ask you to clarify certain things, and so you can add to that as well. So that's how you do a deep research in ChatGPT.